Hi friends, now this is a simple way on how to use SmartPay on any Samora Bot application or website. Click on Phone Wallet and then you choose SmartPay. Now after that, this is the account number you send money into. After you sent money, we recommend you use OPay, PalmPay or Kuda because it will be very easy for you to copy your session ID. Okay, so now from OPay, PalmPay, and Kuda, you will see your session ID, which is already displayed. Okay, let us assume I have sent money into this account number, which is the previous SmartPay. So let us assume I've sent money into it. Now, how you now credit yourself? So we need the session ID. Okay, so this is already payment I've made. So let me go to this place and paste it here, then click on auto fund. Yeah, my wallet is credited successfully. So I sent 100 naira. Let me check it here. Now you can see, so the 1% has been removed. So it worked successfully. So if you send money into SmartPay, do not expect it to fund your wallet immediately or automatically. So all you have to do is go to SmartPay, then you paste the session ID. Okay, so the only way your wallet can be funded automatically is if you send money into this your received account number. Okay, so this is your account number. So if you send money into this one, your wallet will be created automatically. But if you use another payment method, which is SmartPay, so you have to provide a session ID here. Thanks for watching.